Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm putting together a sleep gift set for a friend. We'll start by measuring out our candle wax. This is soy wax. If you ever want measurements, just download a candle app on your phone. You measure out the jar that you use and how many grams it fills. And you put that amount in. And it'll tell you how much wax you need and how much scent you need also to add to it. Just melt your wax. I use a slow cooker because I can get on with things even though it takes a while. It can be melting away while I'm doing other things. Once this wax melted, I just put it into a jug. Then I added some mica powder. I wanted this to be a sleep one, so it was going to be lavender. So I wanted it to be a purple colour. So I just added some purple mica powder. And just keep adding until you get the colour you want. But now once the candle dries, the colour will probably be lighter than when it is when it's in liquid form. Here I'm adding in my fragrance oil. I used lavender essential oil for this. I love lavender, it's so relaxing. Here I've just added my wood wick to my jar. I'm slowly about to pour in the wax. And you want to leave this for about 24 hours before you try to burn. I'm just going to cut the wick now. These jars are really pretty and really inexpensive. I think I bought them from Home and Bargain in the UK. Okay, now we're moving on to another component of our sleep gift set. This is pillow spray. And I'm starting here with a 1/4 cup of water. To this I am adding 2 teaspoons of polysorbate 20. This acts as an emulsifier to mix the lavender oil I'm now putting in and the water for it to mix. I'm adding 20 or 30 drops of lavender oil to this. Mix it and add it to a jar. I just reused this old jar I had. And it's as simple as that. I added this sleep mask to my candle and pillow mist spray. And then I just wrapped it up in some crepe paper. Added some tags, and it turned out pretty well. Let me know if you try any of this. Thanks for watching.